Let's get started. When you open Outlook, you are by default in the Reading pane. A very good way to organize the emails that you are receiving is to collapse the groups of the messages. You can easily do that with the left arrow. So watch as I'm using here left arrow. You see I collapsed all the email that I received today. I'm going with the down arrow to navigate and left arrow again, and I collapsed everything that I received yesterday. Alright, so because now I am sorting or viewing my email by date, this will be done in this way. So if I had emails from a week ago or from 1 month ago or for older than that, I would have seen as well like 1 week ago and so on. And let's do now the opposite, and let's expand the groups of messages first. And I want to show you that this works depending on the way you arrange your emails. So if I'm arranging with from, and by the way, you can use F here, you see, then I'm using the left arrow, which will group all the emails I received from a specific contact. You see? So now right arrow, right arrow. All right. In order to navigate, of course, you can use the arrows, down arrow, up arrow, and so on. But if you want to read the emails, a great shortcut that I'm using all the time, or a great key, let's say, is spacebar. So watch what this does. As we are here, I'm, I'm pressing spacebar, and you see it pages down through the email, and once more because this email is not fully shown. And now when I'm pressing spacebar again, I'm moving on. So you see, I can read emails and move through my inbox using spacebar. Now let's say that I want to go up again and read the upper part. I can then use shift and spacebar to do exactly the opposite. So now I page up through emails. So you see, moving up, or spacebar moving down and reading down, shift and spacebar to move up, and as well to move up in the reading pane. Alright, and finally for this lesson, enter if you want to open the email, hit enter. Let's go back, try again with the next one, hit enter, and you will open the email in a new window basically. Alright, so now please take some time and practice a bit more. And in the next lesson, we will explore the shortcuts to easily navigate and select emails.